Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a workspace on ClickUp. Look at this, I have two workspaces. Let's see, I'm going to delete this one. I come here at the top right, click on my profile icon, and then you need to click on settings, right? And then what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on workspaces. You'll see all your workspaces right here. So let's say I want to delete this one, Pioneer Media. Click on settings, right? Go ahead and click on that, and then they will redirect you to this page. What you need to do is just go ahead and click on delete workspace, okay? Right here. So once we click on this, they'll give you a warning. Remember guys, once you do this, everything will be deleted. All your files, your tasks, your history in this specific workspace, and you cannot get this back. So you just need to go ahead and type in this name right here to confirm. So I'll just copy paste that, click on delete, and there you go. It is going to be deleted, right? As you can see, that one has been deleted. So we'll go to return to ClickUp. And if I click here, that one is not there anymore. And it's really that easy and simple.